All right, there's the dogs, of course, and here's the back door. We're gonna go in and have a look at all the work that's being done here, or, you know, not being done. You guys stay. All right, so here we go. This is the back entrance. All the flooring is ripped out here. Apparently in the bathroom, which you can see right there, they did not rip anything out because I think it has a modern subfloor in there. Or maybe it's a modern subfloor on top of the old subfloor, but at any rate, it was fine. So they didn't rip that out. But yeah, this is all original subfloor, these big wide planks, and they got, you know, holes and cracks and all manner of stuff going on. And they have been primered white to encapsulate any mold. Take a quick peek into our laundry area there, which is a little bit disheveled because we had some additional plumbing done, so things got kind of moved around and people just threw stuff back there for storage or whatever. Kitchen, some janky subflooring right there. You can see this is Shayna pulling stuff out of the cabinets because we're getting ready to paint them, and it's going to be awesome. Got this nice big hole under the sink area because we had that emergency. You can see this emergency drain right here. That's new. And then this pipe comes from the laundry area. That's going to be a drain for a tankless water heater system. And that, you know, that's all like tied into the drain from the sink basically. So got all that going on. That'll need shored up. Right there's where the refrigerator used to be, where Shayna is right now. So kind of pivoting around. Here's the spot where the stove used to be, and we had them run some new gas lines for a tankless system, and kind of kicking ourselves a little bit for not having them run a gas line over here so we could maybe get a gas stove. But it's you live and learn, right? They did cut a hole in the subfloor to access the crawl space for plumbing. It's the living and dining area right here. And this is all our cabinetry that got pulled out of the kitchen area, sitting in the living room. It's real great. And then just here's a quick peek into each bedroom. You can see, yeah, that's all the flooring is gone, nothing in there. And then same thing kind of over here in the spare room, right? It's all the original subfloor and flooring is, you know, pulled out, etc. So I think a thing we're really excited about is if you kind of look here, you can see how that floor just goes and drops off towards the outside of the house. When they rip all this out and put in modern subfloor, they should level all that out. So that'll be super nice to have a square level flat floors. So pretty exciting.